The world of cryptocurrency is growing at a rate that would have been laughable to try and talk about a decade ago. Because while it may seem a bit counterintuitive, people are really starting to buy in, literally, to the idea of digital currency. They see its potential and how it just might make them rich, as many others have cleaned up on it over the past few years. But the question then becomes, which crypto do you go and buy? One you might want to consider is Saitama. So, allow us to ask, Saitama Inu, how to buy Saitama? Saitama Inu origin. Cryptocurrencies have already won over tech-savvy millennials. Now, there is a cryptocurrency that targets the next generation of investors and aims to help teach them about investing and overall financial health. Saitama Inu, Saitama, was launched in May of 2021 on the Ethereum network. The brand was inspired by the legend of a mysterious ghost dog that is said to be roaming the mountains in the region of Saitama in Japan, according to the project's white paper. Saitama is gaining some momentum thanks to a couple of key exchange listings and an ambitious roadmap. Saitama scored listings on a couple of popular cryptocurrency exchanges recently, including Bitmart in the Saitama USDT trading pair and Gate.io. Investors can also find Saitama on decentralized exchange DEX, Uniswap. Based on social media commentary, a handful of users described having to pay higher gas fees on Uniswap most recently and have opted to use centralized exchanges instead. The Saitama community, which calls themselves the Wolfpack, is hopeful that the added liquidity and attention will drop a few zeros from the token price. The new cryptocurrency is coming from a low base, and as a result, triple-digit percentage gains in a short period of time are not unheard of. Crypto bulls will be looking to see if Saitama can keep the momentum going and get on the radar of more altcoin investors. There are a couple of upcoming catalysts that could help. Wallet launch. The Saitama team is gearing up for the launch of the SAITA Mask, a smart wallet, in November. SAITA Mask has a lot of features for a typical digital wallet and can be used in the following ways. Participate in decentralized finance, DeFi, with bank cards to buy tokens, merchant transactions using crypto, learning about finance, and creating and trading non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Saitama plans to play a major role in the NFT market. The project has the support of Willie D, a founding member of the rap group Ghetto Boys. Saitama named Willie D as president of NFT curation and talent acquisition in a $50 million plus deal. The celebrity was brought on to secure high-level partnerships in the entertainment industry. Saitama has an ambitious roadmap and has its sights set on Apple Pay and Google Pay. This is one meme coin that investors might want to keep their eye on. The mission. So that's the general avenue of what they are trying to do. But what is their honest-to-goodness goal? It can't just be yet another crypto in an overflowing marketplace, right? Well, here's what they had to say on the matter. Although digital currencies have been around for over a decade, we are still at an early stage of a monetary revolution that will reorganize our society, redistributing wealth and giving anyone a chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join. But for global decentralized finance to become a reality, they will need not only to overcome technological hurdles, but to simply understand how money works. This is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and content that make people comfortable with money while they invest, opening unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. Although digital currencies have been around for over a decade, we are still at an early stage of a monetary revolution that will reorganize our society, redistributing wealth and giving anyone a chance to attain financial freedom. It may sound a little fishy, but in truth, most crypto is, even Bitcoin. That's why they're trying to wow people with what they hope to do, what they can do, and what they will do over time, like with their wallet. SAITA Mask. We talked about this a little before, but let's dive deeper into it, shall we? SAITA Mask is a smart wallet that revolutionizes the cryptocurrency market by solving fundamental problems in decentralized finance, allowing investors from any level to be in control of their wealth. New investors normally have to go through several steps, especially when buying new coins that are not yet listed in exchanges. They often feel discouraged from starting in decentralized finance, DeFi, and eventually forced to turn to intermediaries or centralized operators, CeFi, where they are more limited and subject to private interests and higher taxes. SAITA Mask solves this problem by being a one-stop shop where you can connect your payment system of choice and be able to buy, sell, swap, transfer, and do whatever you need with any coin without leaving the mobile app. You will also be able to analyze your investments using multiple tools that help to make decisions and keep track of your Saitama rewards. SAITA will also serve as a hub connecting users to the Saitama Edutainment platform, meaning they will be learning more about finance and improving their skills while investing. The SAITA will also be connected to SAITA Maker and SAITA Market, helping users to buy and sell items with crypto inside the app. Oh, and they're not just stopping there. They want to go even bigger than that. The platforms. Because in this world of cryptocurrency, you can't just have one thing or even just a wallet. You need to have various other things that will help you expand the platform into what you need it to be, such as with the aforementioned SAITA. A new approach to NFT, the SAITA Maker is a launchpad platform that will allow users of SAITA to create, launch, and promote their projects, as well as trade property related to them using the Saitama monetary system, or SAITA Edutainment. One thing that sets Saitama apart from the other crypto initiatives is having content at the core of our business. We are currently developing a multi-channel platform that will educate people on how to save, invest, manage money, and create wealth opportunities while entertaining our community. Besides developing proprietary content, #SAITAEDU will be a community-operated business where anyone that is a content creator can profit from sharing their talent and knowledge about finance. And of course, the SAITA market. One of the challenges with decentralized finance right now is the difficulty to take your tokens out to use in everyday needs. The SAITA market is a marketplace inside SAITA. But now let's get to the question we asked earlier, shall we? How to buy Saitama. So at this point, you might be interested in actually buying this coin, right? Well, if so, here's how you can get it. The best way to purchase the Saitama token before SAITA is launched is connecting a digital wallet to Uniswap, a popular decentralized trading platform where our liquidity is locked until May 2022. They even give you a guide on their site to help you set up an account for you to do it. And they also make it clear that they're wanting to keep growing and building their market share. As we keep growing, Saitama is also being listed in the new exchanges of all sizes and regions. So they do have a plan, but the question then becomes, will it work long term? Will Saitama work as a crypto? That is a question that can only be answered long term for reasons that all crypto buyers understand. Yes, Saitama is out now on certain markets for you to buy, but just because you can buy it doesn't mean you should. After all, you want to see how the market reacts to certain things like the SAITA and then see if it grows or plummets, how many people are willing to buy into it, and so on. This is the inherent danger of going and making a crypto, NFT, or anything else associated with the digital currency market. There are a lot of things out there that are your competition well and truly, so you have to go and make yourself unique. Can Saitama be that entity? It's hard to say. They've clearly gone and thought through a lot of things that will make them appealing to some on the market. But the problem is, once again, an abundance of potential crypto for people to buy. Not to mention, while Saitama means a lot of things to a lot of people, including being a literal one-punch man, that doesn't mean they'll go and buy it over the other sure things like Bitcoin, if they can get some, and Dogecoin, which is proof that anything can get over nowadays. So if Saitama is to succeed, they need to make sure they keep moving forward and don't stall, else it'll be the death of them. So, what do you think? What do you think of this look at Saitama and how it might just be the next big crypto on the market? Do you think it honestly has that potential? Or do you think that this will be something that backfires in the end? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time on the channel.